Hey everyone, welcome to Unique Teach. Have you ever wondered why some people speak English so confidently, while others struggle to form even a simple sentence? Many learners think the secret is learning thousands of new words. But that's not true. The real secret is grammar. Grammar is the foundation of every language. Without grammar, even if you know many English words, you may still create incorrect sentences. The good news is that you don't need to memorize hundreds of difficult grammar rules. You only need to understand the basics. In today's complete lesson, you'll learn the most important grammar concepts every beginner must know. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how English sentences are built and how to use them correctly. So grab your notebook, stay until the end, and let's begin. Chapter 1: What is grammar? Grammar is the system of rules that helps us speak and write correctly. Think of grammar as the rules of a game. Every game has rules. Without rules, nobody knows how to play. Language works exactly the same way. Grammar tells us where words should go, which verb should be used, how sentences are formed. Look at these two sentences. I am a student. Student am I. Both contain the same words, but only one follows English grammar. That's why grammar matters. Chapter 2: Words and Sentences. Every sentence begins with words. Words join together to create phrases. Phrases join together to create sentences. For example, word, book. Phrase, a new book. Sentence, I bought a new book yesterday. A sentence gives complete meaning. Every correct sentence normally has a subject, a verb, sometimes an object. Example, she studies English. Subject, she. Verb, studies. Object, English. Chapter 3: Parts of Speech. Everything in English is built from 8 parts of speech. These are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Today, we'll master the first 4. Chapter 4: Nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Examples: teacher, doctor, student, book, phone, computer, school, hospital, city, country, cat, dog, tree, car, love, freedom, happiness. Examples in sentences: the teacher is kind. I bought a new phone. The dog is sleeping. Love makes people happy. Everything you can see around you has a name. That name is usually a noun. Types of nouns. There are several types. Common noun. Examples: teacher, school, city. Proper noun. Examples: London, Bangladesh, Michael. Common nouns begin with small letters. Proper nouns begin with capital letters. Example: I live in Bangladesh. Sarah is my friend. Concrete nouns. Things you can touch. Book, chair, phone, water. Abstract nouns. Things you cannot touch. Love, hope, honesty, success. Chapter 5: Pronouns. A pronoun replaces a noun. Instead of saying, John is a doctor, John works in a hospital, John helps patients, we simply say, John is a doctor, he works in a hospital, he helps patients. Common pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Examples: I love English. You are smart. He is my brother. She teaches English. It is raining. We are ready. They are students. Practice. Sarah is beautiful. Replace Sarah. Answer: she is beautiful. Tom and Jack play football. Replace Tom and Jack. Answer. They play football. Chapter 6 Verbs. A verb shows an action or a state. Without a verb, a sentence is incomplete. Action verbs: run, walk, eat, drink, read, write, study, play, sing, cook. Examples: she studies every day. They play football. We eat breakfast together. The baby sleeps peacefully. State verbs describe conditions. Examples: know, believe, love, need, want. Examples: I know the answer. She loves music. We believe you. Helping verbs. Helping verbs support the main verb. Common helping verbs: am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did. Examples: I am happy. She is reading. They are playing. He has finished his homework. We have completed the lesson. Notice the difference. She studies English. She is studying English. Both are correct, but the meaning is slightly different. Adjectives. Sentence structure. Common beginner grammar mistakes. Practice exercises. Professional ending. Congratulations! You've completed part 1 of our basic English grammar course. Today, you learned the fundamentals of grammar, including nouns, pronouns, and verbs, the building blocks of every English sentence. But this is only the beginning. In part 2, we'll cover adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, sentence structure, and common grammar mistakes that will help you speak and write English with more confidence. So don't miss part 2. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Unique Teach. See you in part 2.